Hello, my name is Franklin Howard. I'll be presenting to you on the topic penetration testing and risk management. I'm from Grand Canyon University. Today's date is November 27, 2024. Introduction. The purpose of this presentation is to prepare my team to do a penetration test on a Fortune 500 company, right? So the scope is to identify and collect publicly available information with direct dealing with the target system. So every data that we're going to collect is going to be a passive data that we will use to directly target a system. Reminder, this presentation will avoid creating a state of panic. So I was able to research a Fortune 500 company, as in Amazon ranked the second amongst the 500 companies. The C-suite officer is Andrew Silipsky. He's the CEO of Amazon. The business synopsis, they deal with logistic, online shopping, and cloud computing. They also have an office space. The main office is in Washington, the USA. The infrastructure is open to the public. Uh, the Amazon.com is the principal site, and they got other related sites, PrimeVideo.com and AWS.com, and many other more. So there are two major tools that we use, the Multico tools and the OSINT framework. So as you can see in the slide, this is Multico being installed on my Kali bus, and this is OSINT being run on my Firefox. What is Multico? Multico is an investigative tool. We use Multico to collect different information from on all different websites. It's also allow us to compare and understand the relationship between the different groups of information. That is, the people, the group, the website, the network, and more. Uh, we countermeasure for countermeasure purposes. We talk about firewall, frequency upgrade, multi-factor authentication, and strong data encryption. This is my Makati box, right? This is Motico being installed from Makati box. So I search Amazon .com as a domain, and this is my return. I got different returns, and these are all of the data that was collected during the search process. So OSINT framework. The term OSINT is open source intelligent, right? It describes the method of gathering and analyzing data made available to the public. So within the graph right here, you see the different uh, public data that we gathered, social media, NGOs, government, and we also have news outlet interviews. So OSINT is used to collect data. OSINT framework. This is how framework look like when you gathering data. When you go on the website, this is how it work. This is the tree that helps you to gather information. All you need to do is to click on whatever data you're trying to research, and that's it. So this is a slide that talks about the collection of data. As you can see, this is OSINT. All of the site that we were able to fetch data from. We collected data from Charles or Roger. Charles Roger worked in the office of the CEO of Amazon, and we going to use him as our target, right? This is our prospective target. The reason is because he worked directly within the company, and we're going to use him to send that phishing email. This is how our email going to look like. This is our phishing email, and this is exactly how it's going to look like. We targeting Charles Rogers from Amazon, right? So as you can see, we created an email talking about updates and to verify. And the reason we targeted him, he's a basic person. We understand that he's a basic person from the data we collected. He do a lot of work for the CEO. So yes, he's gonna be basic. And this kind of email, all he's gonna do is to click the link. And once he click the link, we in. Christian legal and ethical perspective. From the Christian point of view, it is imperative that legal requirements and ethical standards derive from the biblical principles. Um, Whenever we're trying to do penetrational testing, we have to consider those things, right? That make it legitimate. the legal authority, we have to consider the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, the CFAA. It talks about how we gain access to computer system. We also have to be ethical whenever we're trying to do pen test. Especially as a Christian, we have to be honest, we have to be compassionate, and we have to take stewardship about whatever we do. Conclusion: this presentation is intended to prepare my team for penetration test on the Fortune 500 company. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Franklin Howard.